You're welcome.
Your estate is looking so nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah. Looking so nice.
Thank you. I love
it. Babe. Babe.
Huh? What job is what did happen?
What are you doing here?
Babe, I'm sorry. I know I offended you.
You can't tell me you're sorry.
After
how long?
Bros. Babe,
After how long? Why do you have to waste it this time before coming to tell me I'm sorry? Why? What have you been doing all this while? I can't go back to you. I've moved on.
Babe, you can't say that now.
I've moved on.
Remember the good times? How I used to take you shopping.
You hurt me.
I know.
You really hurt me. I swear to God, you hurt me.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. See, I swear to God, I crossed my heart. I will never in my life hurt you again. See, I won't even shout at you. I won't shout at you. My heart has been empty without you. Look, my mom has been asking of you.
I know you're doing this thing because you know I love you. That's why you're doing this thing.
Because I love you too now, babe. Babe, I love you and I don't want you away from me now. Now we used to... Alright, let's go now. What are you doing here?
I came to I will call you. I will call you.
Come on. When I don't finish Titanic.
What?
Titanic. Romeo and Juliet.
Is he your classmate?
When I don't will fire you. Wait, see, where you come. I get guys you. See, just the way you give us. I beg. We'll go inside there. Alpha. Later I go see her.
No. This is actually my boyfriend. We had like a little misunderstanding, and as you can see, we've reconciled.
Yeah.
For my gate. God. For my gate. Like, you see my house.
I know, but it's my
What do you know? What do you know? For my gate.
Bro, wait, hold on, bro. You cannot be shouting at my girlfriend like that. What's the problem? Like, who are you?
She tell you how much I don't send her. Tell her.
He sent you money?
700,000.
Yes.
Total money at the calculator.
This
I never see Kuntus. 700K. I beg, okay. You want to go, Abi?
Wait, bro, hold on. Maybe 700. Are you building a house?
No, it's just this few period. I've been so depressed, so I needed like a lot of spa treatment and all that, and he has been the one sponsoring.
Bros. First leave my babe hand. Leave my
guys. See, when you talk since when they beg, I interfere. I beg, don't reach my turn. You see that you follow me, go inside. Or you transfer the 700K give me. Or she transfer give me.
Okay, wait, babe. How much balance do you have?
Baby, I told you now I've been depressed. I've used the whole money for spa section and massage session. I needed that to calm my nerves. You made me go through a lot.
So that's an expensive depression.
What is the meaning of that?
Alpha.
Why are you stealing her phone?
See, is it that you follow me go inside? Or you transfer my money for me?
I cannot follow you inside. My boyfriend is here. There's no one.
Come, let me cover you.
You feel they go. When you bring my money, color your phone and your head. You be like you the mad.
This guy is Carlos.
No, Roberto Carlos.
Why are you speaking English? Go and get my hair and my phone.
Okay. If I see, one to go, Mona to go, sir. Mona to go.
Baby, let's go.
Let's go out. You want me to leave my phone?
That's an expensive depression. 700,000.
Can I have my phone, please, and my hair, please?
We'll find you touchlight phone. Come, let's go. Can you? Where did you even meet this guy? Babe!
Get my phone!
Babe.
Make sure you get my phone. Leave me alone. This is not your phone.
Bros.
Where you? If you look more for here, I go shook your hands to the crest. Where they worry you? You small person or two.